People may be wondering why the k-nearest neighbors algorithm in machine learning is often the first thing you're being taught in university or in class. I tell you why. All machine learning is about distances. We want to find closest neighbors. We want to find relative or use relative information. We are performing argmin operations. Often, the goal is to have a full distance matrix between your data points. If the data is text, we try to map it into a vector space and then compute distances in order to find the most probable, the most likely next word in a word sequence, for example, if we want to generate text, what we do with large language models. If we do anomaly detection, we want to find out how close to the actual data point are the data points in our trusted normal behavior data, or the distance to a model, to a predicted how it should be data, right? If we do classification, what category of data is closest to the data point that I'm looking right now? If it's clustering, we want to find regions of high density in the data. How do we define density? We look at how close the data is to each other. So we are all working with distances in basically every machine learning application. And whenever it's too complex and too demanding to compute the full distance matrix, to have all relative distances between all the data points, whenever that is the case, we need k-nearest neighbor or similar approaches, approximate k-nearest neighbors, and so on, in order to find the closest data points. So that is why k-nearest neighbors is so essential and is such a core concept of machine learning. And luckily, it's very easy to understand, and the algorithm is quite straightforward. So that is why you learn k-nearest neighbors as one of the first techniques in your machine learning courses. I hope that helps for your understanding, and thank you.